Hello, hi everyone. Hope you are keeping well. This is Vishal Masi and welcome back to my channel Economic Side. So today in this we are going to cover best 30 current affairs for March 2022 as you have already seen in the my YouTube thumbnail. So we will be covering most important 30 question which is very important for your exam. So first question आपका जो है कि which company will obtain 4.7% stake in Indus Towers from Vodafone Group. बेसिकली Indus Tower के 4.7% स्टेक वोडाफोन ग्रुप से कौन सी कंपनी बेसिकली खरीदेगी दैट विल इज भारती एयरटेल. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड हैज टाइड अप विद विच एसोसिएशन फॉर द पेमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री. ठीक है, सो राइट आंसर विल बी इंटरनेशनल एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट एसोसिएशन. ओके, इंटरनेशनल एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट एसोसिएशन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. The third question that is MSME. MSME full form is medium small micro enterprises. Okay, so इसका एक रुपी कार्ड is a initiative of which bank in association with the National Payment Corporation of India. So right answer is A, that is Union Bank of India. Clear? Next that is fourth question. Marathi language is celebrated annually on 27 Feb to honor the birth anniversary of the Vishnu Raman Shrivadkar is popularly known as. The right answer is B, Kusum Raj. Okay, Kusum Raj. Next answer that question that is so B is your right answer. Okay, Kusuma Raj. Okay, or you can say Kusum. I hope I am pronouncing it right. Kusuma Raj. Okay, Kusuma Raj. Okay, next that is a fifth question. The center has given an extension to the immigration visa foreigners registration tracking IVFRT scheme beyond March 30th, 21 for the period of how many years? That is 5 years. Okay, that answer is 5 years. Next that is sixth question. Which ministry has initiated a campaign Bhasha Certificate Selfie under the Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat? Okay, that the right answer is that is your B, Ministry of Education. Very important. The campaign is Bhasha Certificate Selfie under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. Okay, very important. Ministry of Education. Then seventh question is that is very important. National Protein Day, okay, is observed on which day to educate people on protein deficiency? That is 27th Feb. Okay, 27th Feb is the right answer. Then the eighth question that is Union Cabinet has announced the national rollout of the Ayushman Bharat digital mission with a budget of rupees 1600 crore for 5 years. Which of this implementing agency, which is the implementing agency of this mission? That is National Health Authority. Okay, A option is the right option. Then a ninth question that is the Export Credit Guarantee Corporation Limited has announced the withdrawal of coverage for shipments to which country from the effect from February 25? That is Russia. The right answer is Russia. Okay. Then the 10th question that is which state is celebrating its annual Viva Carnival from February 26 to March 1? Right. The right answer is A, Goa. The 11th question that is the issue of co-location in is news these days. Which field does it pertain to? That is stock market. Okay, co-location is in these news these days, so co-location is related to the stock market. The 12th question that is okay, the 12th question that is the export of guavas from India has witnessed a jump from how much percentage since 2013? That is 260%. That is very phenomenal. Then 13th question that is which was the name of the Delhi government's budget 2021 under which the Armed Forces Preparatory School is taking the admissions for the first batch? That is Desh Bhakti budget. Okay, Desh Bhakti budget. Then 14th question is the World NGO Day is observed on which day to create the awareness about the sector? That is 27 Feb. 27 Feb is the right answer. Then 15th question that is the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange have started which stock settlement system from 25th Feb 2022? So right answer is T plus 1. Okay, B answer is right option, that is T plus 1. Then 16th question that is Astronomia Awareness Day is observed on Feb 27. What does it relate to? Okay, it relate to loss of smell. Okay, loss of smell. Yeah, anosmia, which is basically a loss of smell. Okay, which is was very in the news during the COVID period. Then 17th question, that is which is the first multilateral agency to open office in the Gujarat International Finance Tech, or you can say short form, you can say GIFT city. The right option is, that is your B, New Development Bank. Okay, New Development Bank is a right option. 18th question, that is BRICS Works rating has lowered India's GDP growth estimate which percent from which percent, basically what percent, basically 8.5 to 9% for financial year 2022. So that is 8.3. Okay, so ब्रिक वर्क्स रेटिंग, बेसिकली बहुत सारी रेटिंग्स होती हैं, ठीक है। आप बहुत बहुत जो बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, जैसे एसबीआई हो गया, आरबीआई हो गया, सो बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, दे गिव द रेटिंग्स ऑफ द डिफरेंट वेरियस कंट्रीज जीडीपी ग्रोथ रेट एनुअली। तो उन्होंने अपना लोअर कर दिया है, नाउ दे हैव लोअर टू 8.3%, राइट। सो 19th क्वेश्चन दिस, that's according to the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, which is the top ranked state in the terms of per capita net state domestic product at the current prices, that is Telangana. Very very important question. Okay, so this state has basically ranked, okay, top in the terms of per capita net state domestic price, or you can say product at current prices. Okay, basically this is very important question for your exam. 20th question, that is exercise Vayu Shakti of an Indian Air Force will begin from 7th March at which location? So right answer is your Jaisalmer. Okay, B answer is a Jaisalmer is a right option. Next, that is 21st question. India has attained which rank in billionaires population globally in 2021 following the Wealth Report 2022? Okay, that is a third. So India attained the third rank. Okay. 22 question, who has become the first Indian to be awarded as Boltzmann medal? Okay, the right answer is B, Deepak Dhar. 23rd question, that is recently launched Nan Mudhablan is a skill development scheme for which state student? Very important question, that is a Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. Okay, that it is Tamil Nadu. Okay, 24th question, which state has extended the Armed Force Special Powers Act 1958 in the entire state for 6 months? That is Assam. Okay, very very important. Then 25th question, that is which space agency has launched the GOES-T satellite to track hazardous weather? Okay, the right answer is, that is C, National Aeronautics and the Space Administration. 26th question, that is the United Nations celebrated World Wildlife Day on which date annually to create awareness about various species of wild flora and fauna that inhabit the world? That is A option, 3rd March. Okay, 3rd March is a right option. 27 is under AppScale Academy program, METI has partnered with which company to train 100 Indian startups? That is Google. Okay, Google. Very very important question again. 28th question, that is 28th question, that is ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2022 has begun in which country? That is New Zealand. Okay, right answer is New Zealand. 29th question, that what is the scheme of World Obesity Day 2022 which was observed on 4th of March? That is fourth question, everybody needs to act. Okay. 30th question, that is General SF Rogadius, who passed away recently, was the former army chief of which country? That is India. Okay. Next, last question, that is what name has been given by Hero MotoCorp to its new EV brand? So its right answer is Vida. Okay, Vida is the right answer. So I hope आपको lecture पसंद आया होगा, and please join my application to get this PDF. So thank you so much. God bless you.